In an emergency like a house fire, gas leak, or chemical spill, you may need to leave your house immediately. Be ready to go. Build yourself a portable emergency kit and keep it in an easy-to-access place. Start with a sturdy but easy-to-carry backpack or container. Be sure to include a basic first aid kit and essential personal items, food and water for 12-hour period, prescription drugs rotated regularly, spare reading glasses, and toiletries and seasonal clothing. Tools to communicate and stay informed: a phone charger and battery bank, a contact list including doctor, insurance company, and emergency contacts, a radio, flashlight, and batteries, and a pen and notepaper. Items for children or those with special needs: comfort items like blankets or a stuffy, specialty items such as bottles, formula, diapers, an activity book, games, or toys. Items for your pet or companion animal: a leash, collar and/or muzzle, food and water with bowls, and their veterinary records. And other things that may not be easily available in an emergency: cash, including small bills and change, copies of important documents, and household inventory for insurance purposes. Customize your kit so everyone in your family has the essentials needed to be healthy and comfortable. For more information, visit oxford72hours.ca.